Good afternoon, my name is Shirley Ayush in University. I'll be performing nasopharyngeal tube insertion or administering enteral tube feeding to the patient. Now, first and foremost, I'm going to verify the patient if it needs a insertion of nasogastric tube. If it is medically necessary, I'm going to check for the spin's breakdown and patency of the nostril. Then I'm gonna let the patient breathe freely and let it occlude its one nostril at a time. See if there is any obstruction. Now after that, I'm going to review its medical history, such as gag reflex or if the patient would undergo a nasal surgery or any types of surgery. Now, I'm going to explain to the patient the procedure of the nasogastric tube for it to feel less anxious. Now, after explaining the procedure, I'm going to teach the patient a hand sign for her or for him to communicate with me upon inserting the tube to its nostrils. Then after that, I am also going to after explaining, I'm going to let the patient sit in a sitting follower's position, then prepare all the equipments that are needed. After preparing all the equipments that are needed, I'm going to determine the length of the tube. The length of the tube that I'm going to use and put a mark on it. Upon putting a mark on it, I'm going to duplicate it.
So now you will measure the 1 week of the catheter insertion of your patient, the doctor or
Pakita sa kung saan pag-measure mo si
how are you going to remove your
GT
catheter?
sa patient. Katong si nose reverb xiphoid. I-measure sa siya.
I-insert ko siya.
Measure lang. Measure. Saan ko katong tip of the NGT to the nose. Yeah, sige, butang sa nose. Saan mo ito pag-measure niyo?
At sa tips na
Ang tip gamit ka.
this one.
Earlobe. Sige, straight yan. Okay.
How are you going to deflate the balloon?
Sige, release si nose para ma-xiphoid process na po. Sige.
Then this one.
Okay.
You do after the
Then after that, we're going to use we're going to lubricate the four nostrils, then using a water soluble lubricant. Then after lubricating, we're going to let the patient see put it over. We're going to let the patient let it in the backward flexion flex its neck in the backward. Then after flexing its head in the backward, we're going to after flexing its neck backward, we're going to put the we're going to flex its neck backward. Then we're going to check we're going to insert the tube into the nares.
Buto na yung K1.
This is very right. On inserting the tube.
Pwede ra sa kada bit sa patient.
This or that.
Ang sama.
Upon inserting the part that
Kasi sunod din mo lang last. Sinunod yung magunaan ha.
then upon inserting the into the nares, the mark that you have, this one will be reached. But before that, we're going to let the patient flex its head again forward to see if it in the nasopharynx, if it reach the nasopharynx.
Ang sama yung may instruct sa patient.
Like flex its head forward.
Don't
If
while.
they feel usually the patient will experience a respiratory distress. So if the patient is experiencing respiratory distress, we are going to withdraw it gently. So if the patient feels that it is reached the nasopharynx, then that's the signal that we are going to advance the tube into the patient. if the placement of the tube is very resistant, so injection, 10 cc injection, and then ascorbate, then after that ascorbating is we also have we're going to use an X-ray if it is just prescribed, and we have to check also whether it's valid for its if use of X-ray if it is prescribed.
So may acidity of the stomach.
Because
Gastric secretion.
the content for pH of the stomach. Then after that, we're going to check if the placement of the tube is in the right position, and after checking that, we're going to proceed after auscultating and
Sige,
checking.
auscultate daw. Kita kung saan mo pagkakas. Yes, yes, yes. Pwede na kung di na mag-clamp it na lang blue ka.
Then as patient
Doctor's order. Next is we are going to identify the patient using the two identifier, which are their name and also their marriage date of birth. Next is we're going to assess if the patient has an allergy on latex or nicotine.
then upon
Next is we are going to explain the procedure of the patient, the type and the purpose of the catheterization. Next is we are
drainage bag,
going to wash our hands and then prepare the materials to
place the patient for the procedure with Dr.
Next is
then now
we are going to try provide
we're going to do the procedure of
and after that we are going to position the
nutrition
patient.
via nasogastric
For the
tube.
female, we are
Now we're going to assess the patient. We're going to assess the patient needs an intravenous or nutritional via nasogastric tube. We're going to know if the patient has any allergies has any allergy of food or food allergy. Then after that we're going to check if any bowel sounds, auscultate for any bowel sounds. Then review the lab values. And after reviewing the lab values, we're also expected to check the fluid volume excess of the patient. Then after checking the fluid volume excess of the patient, you are also expected to check or review the healthcare providers order. Upon checking the healthcare providers order, you are going to them to explain the procedure to the patient to make the patient feel less anxious. And upon doing that, we're going to put the patient into a high hours position. And then after doing that, we're going to prepare the equipment that are needed. After preparing the equipment, we are going to irrigate the tube. After irrigating the tube, we're going to feed the patient. Next, ang kaning water here ay the one is one siyang first
Flashing.
One siyang
I-clamp sa imong.
ano siyang makapa-identify is ang atong ipafeed niya nga nutrition or atong ipakaano is na-addict dito sa dialysis.
Ang air. Ang air
Or
na.
ang water is
Flashing lang na siya.
After we are going to
one siya
insert
Mana
then after is
release sa imong clamp para mo flow ang water pa dong sa tiyan.
then after ano is
Clamp.
what's the second?
Clamp before mahurot.
Then again, after revealing the shoe, you're also expected to let the patient sit for a sitting position for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then after that, the procedure of the water.